Have you ever opened your mail, seen a toll violation notice from Linkt, and just immediately dreaded dealing with it? Well, you are definitely in the right place. In this explainer, we're going to guide you through the whole digital process to resolve this online, saving you time and, more importantly, a ton of unnecessary administration fees. Let's dive right in. You certainly aren't alone if you've been putting this off. Our goal today is to provide a complete, practical walkthrough, especially for beginners. We want you to confidently handle your toll violations digitally and get back on the road completely stress-free. To make this super easy, we're following a really clear roadmap today. We'll be covering understanding your toll notice, accessing the Linkt portal, the exact steps to pay online, troubleshooting and disputes, hardship support services, and finally, how to avoid future toll fines altogether. All right, first up, understanding your toll notice. Let's demystify exactly what just showed up in your mailbox. So, what is this document you're looking at? It's a toll payment demand, or a toll invoice. Basically, it's a bill sent to the vehicle's owner for unpaid travel on a toll road. This usually pops up in the system about 3 to 10 days after your trip. Now, the absolute most crucial detail here is the additional administration fees. If you travel without a valid arrangement, this invoice generates automatically. You literally have to act quickly before this thing snowballs and gets sent off to a debt collection agency or state enforcement. Nobody wants that. Okay, before you even touch your keyboard, we need to get organized. Just grab your physical notice and highlighter. You're going to want to find 3 key pieces of information: the unique alphanumeric toll invoice number, your license plate number, and the state where your vehicle is registered. Getting this stuff ready up front is going to make the digital steps a total breeze. Moving right along to Section 2, accessing the Linkt portal. Now that you've got your details in hand, let's look at how to properly jump into the official system. Getting into the portal is super simple if you just follow these 3 precise steps. First things first, head over to the official website at linkt.com.au. Second, make sure you select your specific location, whether that's Sydney, Melbourne, or Brisbane, because the portals and options actually vary depending on the state. Finally, just click on Pay for Tolls or log into your existing account if you happen to have one. Actually, logging in right here is a massive advantage, and I'll show you exactly why in just a minute. All right, Section 3. Steps to pay online. Let's move on to the actual payment workflow and see how this all comes together. Okay, here is the exact sequence you're going to see on the Linkt payment screen. Step 1, you'll want to select Search by Toll Invoice or Registration. Step 2, punch in that invoice number or license plate detail we highlighted earlier. Now, Step 3 is absolutely vital. You have to accept the terms of use. This legally authorizes the search, basically confirming, yes, I have the right to view this vehicle's data. After that, Step 4, the system gathers up your surcharges, keeping you entirely in control of selecting exactly which invoices you want to pay right now. Once you've selected your invoices, it's time for checkout. You just pick your payment method, like a secure credit or debit card, and enter your details. But wait, here is a complete game changer. If you are already an active Linkt customer, you can alternatively select Transfer to a Toll account. Now look at this number, $20. You really need to pay attention here, because if you let a toll notice escalate to a follow-up stage without an account, you get hit with an administration fee of up to $20 per single notice. Think about that for a second. If you just took a few trips over the weekend, those admin fees can stack up shockingly fast. Let's put these 2 methods side by side because it's a huge money saver. Paying direct means you are forced to swallow that full $10 to $20 administration fee per notice. Ouch. But by transferring it to an active account, you replace those sky-high admin fees with a tiny transfer surcharge. We're talking usually somewhere between $1.10 and $2.90. You can literally save up to $17.80 per notice just by having and using a Linkt account. Which brings us to Section 4, troubleshooting and disputes. Because, well, what happens if the fine isn't actually your fault, or the website is just completely glitching out on you? If things go wrong, seriously, don't panic. These are the most common hurdles users report. Things like unrecognized charges. Maybe you're suddenly being billed for a car you already sold, or there was a simple license plate mix-up. Sometimes it's just website or app errors totally messing up your payments. Other folks get hit with a no-tag-in-vehicle fee, or they watch those admin fees keep escalating. Knowing these common issues is the very first step to fixing them. So here's the big question. If you know a charge is dead wrong, or you're just stuck in a frustrating support loop, how do you actually escalate the issue successfully? Resolving disputes quickly means you need to know exactly who to call, and you gotta have your evidence ready to go. Here is your escalation game plan. Your first move is always to call Linkt customer care at 133331. Keep your invoice and plate number right in front of you. Oh, and if you took screenshots of a website error, definitely mention those. But listen, if internal resolutions fail and the whole process just completely stalls out, you still have rights. You can get an independent review through the Tolling Customer Ombudsman. You are never left without a neutral third party to help you out. Now for Section 5, Hardship and Support Services. Because we completely understand that sometimes financial pressures or unexpected life events make paying these fines incredibly difficult. If you are dealing with a sudden job loss, unexpected financial challenges, or tough family situations, please know you don't have to go it alone. The Linkt Assist team provides entirely confidential support. They offer real, practical solutions like payment extension plans and even toll credit support. Just giving Linkt Assist a call on 1-300-767-865 can unlock tailored extensions and give you the breathing room you really need right now. All right, the final stretch. Section 6, Avoiding Future Toll Fines. Let's make sure you never have to deal with this administrative headache ever again. By taking just a few proactive steps, you can practically automate your travel and dodge these pesky notices entirely. Number 1, open a Linkt account or grab a prepaid pass before you even hit the road. Make absolutely sure your vehicle's license plate number is actively linked to that account. That stops those annoying no-tag fees in their tracks. Also, make it a habit to update your payment details, especially when your credit card expires. And this is a big one. If you sell a vehicle, remove it from your account right away so you don't end up paying for someone else's joyrides. Before we wrap things up today, a really quick reminder. Toll rules, portal layouts, and those administrative fees, they can and do update over time. So always verify the current procedures on the official Linkt website to get the most accurate information for your specific situation. This explainer is meant to be an evergreen educational guide. It doesn't substitute for personalized legal or financial advice. And that brings us to our final thought. With all these digital tools right at your fingertips, are you going to let admin fees drain your wallet, or will you take control of your travel today? The choice is entirely up to you. Equip yourself with the right account, manage your digital dashboard proactively, and never, ever let a toll violation slow you down again. Thanks for learning with us, and safe travels.